So, what if tariffs are just austerity rebranded? You think you're paying less taxes, and then you pay €3 more for milk, $5 more for gas, and well, before you notice, you're paying 800 euros more a year. Well, in this week's Polydocs issue, I break down 5 questions, but I try to find the real answer to who pays for protectionism. So, most people think tariffs protect jobs. I tell you, tariffs are actually punish you while benefiting the 1%. And in this issue of the newsletter, I look at 5 uncomfortable truths about tariffs and how they quietly shift the tax burden from capital to consumption, from billionaires to, you guessed, you. Let's look at the extreme hypothesis that has been floating around. You replace income tax with tariff revenue. So no more income taxes. People just don't pay income taxes. Would you be richer? You get more money on your pay slip, on your end of month check or end of week. But your grocery bill will balloon. And why? Because actually tariffs are taxes. Not any kind of taxes, they're consumption taxes. So do tariffs actually protect jobs, or is just economic cosplay? They may, yes, they may protect jobs, but consumers pay the price. Jobs are saved, maybe, not necessarily, but guess who pays the cost? Yeah. So who really pays for tariffs? Foreign companies or people like you and me? Actually, well, importers write the check, but they pass it on to you, 100%. And why do they do it? They're not bad guys. They're not unpatriotic. They're in business. So that's what they do. Fourth question, what happens if we stop taxing income and start taxing consumption? Because tariffs are a consumption tax. Well, tariffs are also a regressive tax, like most consumption taxes or all of them. So those who save and invest a part of their income, they contribute less than those who spend most or all of their income buying consumer goods. Yeah, you know who I'm talking about. So are tariffs really the new austerity with a new brand? Yes, absolutely. They're sold as patriotism, but they're just austerity. They have better PR though. So with tariffs, the more you consume, the more you pay. And that's not patriotic, that's predatory. You want the full analysis on this and the data sources I used? Just take a look at the latest Polydocs post. You have the QR code in the screen.